Okay, so the Jewish diaspora. Also, I've noticed I start things off with okay, so, and I apologize. I'll try to work on that. So we're going to look at the Jewish diaspora. That is this word, diaspora. That's how you say it and spell it. When I went to college, people were using this word all the time, and I'm like, what is diaspora? And all this stuff, and I had no idea what it was. So you were getting taught early diaspora, which it really means this, right, the scattering of your people, a scattering of a community really throughout the world. So the Jewish diaspora is one we talk about often because when the Romans kicked them out of Palestine and Israel, Jews were scattered, as you can see, throughout the Middle East and eventually migrating up through Southern Europe and Eastern Europe. So this is called the diaspora. You can also use the word diaspora in reference to other communities such as Latino or African.